Hey, I'm Kyle Chasen from Best Option Restoration.
And Nick Anthony Zamison, founder of Best Option Restoration.
I came to the Restoration Strategies course to grab a couple nuggets of wisdom that we can implement in our marketing strategy and processes.
If you happen to be looking for a course and you're a beginner and looking for strategies to really propel your business, come down and check out the course.
And if you're a successful business right now, you're going to get a few more nuggets of wisdom to take home.
Hello, I'm Ron Papke with QCC. We're based out of Northwest Indiana. I came to Chicago to Restoration Strategies to help improve getting water damage jobs. And the one takeaway that I really got from Peter was to market CE credits to adjusters. And for me, I'm going to use the same CE credits to instruct and teach to realtors as well. So I'm going to implement this immediately as soon as I get back to my business, and hopefully this is what's going to propel us to the next level.
Hey, my name is Matt Levis. I'm with TACT Franchising. We're a biohazard remediation company. What I got out of coming to this course is talking to other professionals in the industry, getting their perspective, and getting some inside information for people who are on the insurance side of things that I normally couldn't have gotten on my own.
Hi, I'm James. I'm from All Star. We came here to Restoration Strategies to learn more about water and dealing with the actual insurance companies. One of the things I've taken away from this was how the speaker was talking about how contacting the adjusters and working with them instead of them being our enemy. And moving forward, we'll be cold calling them and going to directly dealing with them to get more calls.